Morning everyone, class 11, subject business studies. Okay, so today we will start topic classification of source of fund. So today topic classification of source of fund. So different type of sources are included in this series. Okay. So point first, period basis. Point first, period basis classification. Okay. So in this series, point first again, long term sources. Long term sources. So these sources are exceed the limit of 5 years. So long term sources, it include different type of sources: shares, debentures, long term borrowings. So it include the long term sources like as plant, machinery, land, building, etc. Okay, so it is a different types of long term sources and period exceeding 5 years and period exceeding 5 years. Clear? So long term sources, it include different types of sources: plant, machinery, land, building, furniture. These sources are increase the business efficiency. Okay, and period exceeding 5 years. Second, medium term sources. Point number second here, B point, medium term sources. So in this series, different types of points are included, and period is more than 1 year. So it include the medium term sources like as borrowing from commercial banks, borrowings from commercial banks, comma, public deposits. Okay, borrowing from long-term banks, comma, public deposits, and lease financing, lease financing, etc. And period is more than 1 year, more than 1 year. So period is more than 1 year in medium term sources. Next point, third, short term sources. So in this series, C point, short term sources. Okay, so it include up to 1 year sources. For example, trade credit, loan from commercial bank, commercial papers, short-term financing, etc. Okay? So it includes all those sources which are required by the business for a period exceeding more than 1 year. Yeah, up to 1 year. So period is not exceeding 1 year in short term sources. Okay, so it include trade credit, loans from commercial bank. It include trade credit, loan from commercial banks and commercial paper and short term financing. Clear? So three sources are classified on the basis of period. A source, long term source, it includes long term source like as plant, machinery, land, building, shares, debentures, etc. and period exceeding 5 years. Second, B point, medium term sources. So it include the medium term sources, borrowing from commercial bank, public deposits, lease financing, etc. So period more than 1 year in medium term sources. And C point, short term sources. So period is not exceeding 1 year. So transactions up to the 1 years are included in this series. Okay, so it includes trade credit, loan from commercial banks and commercial paper and short term financing source, etc. Clear?